Hey, it's Morgan from WTI, and let me show you why I love this handheld milk frother from Flendy. I love this milk frother so much. It is so powerful and it's so easy to use because you can charge it in a couple different ways, which is fantastic. With a USB-C charger in your wall, it's a great size and you can make so many different drinks and beverages with this frother. I like to use it to make a latte. Just look at the consistency I get from that milk, and that was so quick. And then you can make some blended coffee drinks, which is so fun any time of day. My husband likes to take his protein shakes in the morning, and he was struggling for a while to find a handheld blender that can actually blend all of the powder together. And he was so happy when we got this because it is the easiest one that he has used so far. So that is definitely a plus in our book. It's so great to charge. It comes with this stand that you can plug in or not plug in. The light blinks up so that you know when it's charging. It also comes with the materials to connect it to the wall if you want to do that as well. Again, we have been loving this frother so much. We use it every single day and it has not disappointed us one bit. It's great for mixing supplements or vitamins. It is so great to have a mini electric whisk around your kitchen because you can use it for so many things and it can really save you in a pinch. And I love the matte black color on the silver stand. It is so sleek. It looks so good in my kitchen and it is exactly what I have been looking for a long time. I highly recommend this milk frother from Flendy, and that's my point of view.